Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before that, we hope you are given consideration if we cannot meet some of the criteria that have been set due to time constraints and certain reasons. Please give it a chance. So our group agreed to create a simple mini product on the theme Waste to Energy to solve the following global problems.
Secondly, society now looks down on the disposal of plastic waste, such as plastic bags, candy wrappers, plastic bottles, and others. In addition, which cause plastic waste to be found everywhere, polluting the surrounding environment.